CEO. Oh, how the money comes in, the parade comes to town. Going down Broadway is a one-way street, whichever way I go.
Hello dear gold diggers, missed the meme projects? Then rejoice, today FlokiPup is waiting for you. FlokiPup is a project that develops a P2E metaverse game in which users can take care of their FlokiPup and earn tokens as rewards. This game also allows FlokiPup owners to interact with other users and showcase their NFTs in a metaverse currently in development. The development team identifies the project's 4 core values: community, using innovation to help others, cryptocurrency adoption and awareness, and usefulness. The FlokiPup meta-universe will be a space that allows users to connect with each other like never before through various means of interaction. FlokiPup will be a great example of how technological innovation and different skill sets can be used to create an online space where people can feel at home, as well as having fun and having multiple opportunities to play to earn to improve their quality of life and that of their families. A particularly important value of the project is the acceptance of cryptocurrency by the community and the awareness of as many people as possible on the topic. FlokiPup wants to attract as much audience as possible to the topic of cryptocurrency due to the entertaining nature of the project. Usefulness plus quality meme plus strong community is a recipe for great and long-lasting success. To be able to participate in the FlokiPup meta-universe, players will need to have FlokiPup V3 tokens in their wallet. Once you acquire tokens in your wallet, you simply plug your wallet into the Metaverse app and you can start playing. This hold-to-play aspect has a number of advantages for original holders. You can simply hold V3 tokens to qualify to play. This will increase the value of the FlokiPup token as the metaverse grows, increasing ROI for existing holders. This will attract more long-term holders as more people are attracted to the game. Long-term players equal long-term holders. This will bring in a lot of taxes due to the increased volume and will provide funds to inject into the FlokiPup brand in the future. There will be several different activities within FlokiPup that will allow players to compete against others and, if successful, win FlokiPup tokens. The fact that there will be several different P2E activities available means that different skills will be accounted for within one space, so players will not have to leave the FlokiPup meta concert to find the right P2E activity. The FlokiPup game space envisions 2 parts of the meta-class universe, the outer and the inner. The inner world will be sphere of the metaverse where your pet lives and where everything you need to take care of is located. How well you take care of your puppy determines how healthy and strong your puppet will be, and this will increase or decrease your puppy's ability to perform certain actions in the metaverse. The general idea of the indoor world is for players to prepare their puppy for classes and competitions in the outside world. Each player will be able to customize and style their indoor world with a variety of an in-game aesthetics to add personality to their virtual home. In the indoor world, you can wash your puppy, feed him, train him, and decorate him with NFT accessoires. As the project grows in popularity, these NFTs will become more and more valuable. Also, certain special NFTs can give special in-game status and give success to some special events in the game. The outside world will be a place where players can show off their personalized puppies and in-game accessoires, interact in various places with other players, and compete for a chance to win FlokiPup tokens or just for fun. Among the entertainment in the outside world are sporting events, casinos, various social places like parks, restaurants and cafes, where you can socialize. Every 3 months, FlokiPup Olympics, a special P2E event, is held, which is a series of sports competitions where all users can participate. FlokiPup tokens will be used when participating in large events such as the FlokiPup Olympics in the meta-universe with huge cash prizes for the winners. This will create additional funds through taxes, which will be used to develop the FlokiPup project as a whole. On the official site you can get a better look at the roadmap project, the link will be in the description. Who is ready to gather on Floki? Write in the comments, and that was Leo with you. Bye bye!